How to deactivate call forwarding from any phone. If you have activated call forwarding or divert on your phone, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you can deactivate that. So here on the notification panel, you can see that call forwarding is activated on my number. So if you want to deactivate that, the first step is to open up your dial pad, and here you want to dial a specific code #002#. Once you do that, dial that number, and here you can see call forwarding has been erased successfully. So this is the code that you can use to erase your call forwarding. Now, the next option is to head into your settings. So for that, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen and then tap on settings. If you don't find it here on your device, you can directly head to your settings and then search for call settings. Now over here, you want to tap on supplementary services. Here you can find different options. Tap on call forwarding. Now you want to tap on allow. As you can see, always forward has been activated. So you want to tap on that option. And now you want to tap on the disable option. So once you do that, call forwarding will be deactivated on your phone. So these are 2 ways on how you can deactivate call forwarding on your device. We hope that you guys have found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.